Hello guys, welcome back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make Hyderabadi mutton biryani. It is very easy to make at home and it requires a very few ingredients. So let's see the ingredients. So these are the ingredients which we may require for making the Hyderabadi mutton biryani. First, we will require 1 cup of fried onions. Then we may require 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 onion, and then we may require 1 cup of curd and these masalas. So let's go through each of them. First, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Then we require soaked rice and 1 kg mutton. So our first step is to add our onions into the mutton bowl. Then we will be adding our ginger garlic paste. So let's add it. So after adding the ginger garlic paste, we will be adding the chili paste. And then we will be adding our fried onions. Next, we will be adding our masalas. So first, let's add our coriander powder, that is 1 tablespoon. Then let's add our chili powder, that is again 1 tablespoon, and our turmeric powder, that is 1 teaspoon. After adding the masalas, we can add 1 cup of curd into it, and then we can add some curry leaves over it. Later we can add some salt for taste. Now let's mix it well. Make sure that everything combines properly. The masalas should mix with the mutton properly, so keep mixing it continuously. So after mixing it, we can add our oil into it, that is 2 tablespoons, and then we can mix it. We can keep it for about 10 minutes for marination, and then we will be taking it in our pressure cooker, and then we can add some water into it, and then let's cook it. Next step is to make the rice, so we may require some cinnamon, jeera and cloves, and we will be adding it into the boiling water with bay leaves. So after adding it, we will be adding our soaked rice into the water, and then we will be cooking it. So after adding the soaked rice, we can add some ghee into the water and some salt for taste, and then mix it well and leave it to cook. So now our rice is ready. Now next, let's take 1 cup of milk. So let's pour the milk into the glass. So after adding the milk, we will be adding food color. So here I have taken orange food color, and then we will be also adding 1 tablespoon of biryani masala into the milk, and then let's mix it well and let's keep it aside. So now it's the time to assemble everything. So first grease the bottom of the plate with ghee, and then let's add some sliced tomatoes. Then over it we will be adding our rice, and then we will be adding our mutton over it, and then some coriander leaves. Then we will be adding our milk, and then again we will repeat this process. Again the rice, the mutton, and then we will be adding our rice. This way we will make the layers, and then we will be adding our fried onions, some cashew nuts, and then our milk and some coriander leaves too. So we will leave it to cook over a pan or a tawa We can use the back of the spoon to pierce it into the biryani so that it can cook properly. And then let's close the lid. So this was how we make our Hyderabadi mutton biryani. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.